Italians eat a lot of gelato, and I have to admit, when I'm in Italy, I eat it nearly every day. Carpigiani Gelato University teaches students from all over the world how to open and run a successful gelateria.
I hope to open a gelateria next door to our bakery.
Specifically, I'm interested in making sorbet drinks with alcohol, sorbet martinis.
This is a career change for me because I want to become a gelato master.
Master gelato artisan Luciano Ferrari is one of the professors. I'm ready to go to school.
Very good.
So you teach here at this university?
Yes, I do. Yes,
so
I
it's
do.
a whole institute of higher education just for gelato.
Correct. Correct.
That might be my next career. So
Why not?
Gelato is very simple, right?
It is very simple. So basically, to make gelato, we need the water that is inside the strawberries. So your goal now is to blend everything inside a bucket. Then we are going to add also the strawberries, right? This way, and the sugar, right? For the
All
sugar.
of this.
All of it.
This is why gelato is fattening, because it's this much sugar.
Well, believe it or not, it's way, way less fattening than ice cream.
So-
It's actually half the fat
Really?
of ice cream. And here, there is no fat at all.
So
right?
tell me, how is ice cream different?
Well, ice
from
cream is
gelato.
it's a product that is mainly made for long storage, whereas gelato is meant to be fresh, made on a daily basis.
What's the next step?
The next step is to mix it up.
Wow, it's just so light and airy.
It is, it is.
Whoa! The magic of this process is that the sugar binds with the water, keeping the ice crystals small and smooth, making the gelato light and creamy. Salute.
Salute.
You can really taste the fresh strawberries.
This is a very traditional gelato, very classical flavor, but I got something new for you, which is a Parmesan cheese gelato today.
Really?
Yes. Let's taste it.
You don't taste the cheese right away.
No?
It's stupendo.
Yes.
I think this is the new trend in gourmet food.
It is, it is. The most important ingredient to make gelato
Tell me.
is actually creativity.
Creativity. I like that.